break instruction in MATLAB. Break terminates the execution of a for or while loop. When a break statement is encountered, next line is executed. So in case of nested loop, break only exists your innermost loop. Let's see the example in your MATLAB. Just clear your command window. So you have to display the number from 1 to 10 and increment it by value 1. So we have taken a equal to 0, and while, since break instruction works within while or for loop, so we have taken while loop, a less than 20. So a equal to a plus 1. So a is here 0. It will be 0 plus 1, 1. It will display the value since a is less than 20. Here it will check the condition is if a greater than equal to 10. Since it is false, so it will again go to while loop. So the while loop will continue till a value is greater than equal to 10. When it will be 11, it will break and come out of your innermost loop, come out of the while loop, and will be out of your while loop and will execute the instruction next to the end line. So let us run the program. Let's see. So it has displayed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in such a way, a break instruction work in your MATLAB. So it will exit your from the while loop whenever the condition is satisfied. Continuous statement in your MATLAB. Continuous statement passes control to the next iteration of the for or while loop, in which it appears skipping any remaining statement in the body. In the nested loop, continue passes control next iteration of the loop and closing it. So continue statement basically passes control to the next iteration of the for or while loop. As compared to break statement comes out of the loop of for or while whenever the statement is satisfied, whereas in continue it will pass your control. So that is the difference between your break and continue. So let us see program in your MATLAB. So first of all, clear your command window. You have to display the number from 1 to 10 incremented by 1, and don't display the number 5. So you have to display the number from 1 to 10, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have taken a equal to 0 while a is less than 10. So a equal to a plus 1, that is 1. It will check the condition a equal to 5. It is not satisfied, so it will display here. It will go on till a equal to 4. When a equal to 5, it will continue, that will jump again to the while loop and skip the printing of your a equal to 5. If you have put here break statement, the answer would have stopped till your 4, since it will take you out of your while loop, whereas in continue it passes your control to the while loop again. So this is your difference between your continue and break statement. Let us run this program and see. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when a equal to 5, it will jump to while loop. It will not go to display a statement. You can change here value to 4 if you don't want to print 4. Run this program. So here 4 will be skipped. So this is your continuous statement in MATLAB.